All right, now we definitely don't have the form here, u prime over u. So let's try changing variable here. Let's do a change of variable and try it, see what this gives us. So now I'm just thinking as simple as possible, get rid of the root 3x, because if it weren't there, then I would have the natural log form. So I'm going to get rid of that, and that might not be as simple as I think. Now, okay, so this is, remember, that is a 3x to the half. Or you can look at it just as root 3 times an x to the half. I'm going to look at it like that, root 3. So my derivative will become root 3 over 2 times an x to the negative 1 half dx. So that's what du is. That means we would have, let's see, dx would have to be 2 over root 3 x to the 1 half du. Now that is 2 root 3 over 3 x to the half du. And that is just a 2/3 u du, because root 3 x to the half is right here. That's u. Okay, so that's dx. Now let's come over here and change this out and see what we get. We get a 1 plus u underneath, and a 1 like that. Dx is 2/3 u du. So this thing is equal to, we'll put that 2/3 out in front. So we have just a u over 1 plus u du. All right, so still not quite in the form we want. However, we made progress. And at this point, I'll do a long division, because I know that worked for me before when I had the same degree up here as down here. Try long division to reduce it down. Maybe something in the results will be integrable. So here I'll have a 1, just a u plus 1 minus 1. Okay, so that's finished. 2/3. We'll have a 1 minus 1 over 1 plus u du. That one now is integrable. We'll have u minus natural log of 1 plus u, like so, plus a constant. Now it's time to put the u back in, which was root 3 root x. So this is 2/3 root 3x minus natural log of 1 plus root 3x. So plus a constant. And you might realize right now that you don't really need those bars. So sometimes students will just take them off at this point because they're a little bit redundant, not needed. Plus a C, and that's good enough.